Hello guys, we're gonna surprise my Ate Ollie.
You're gonna prank Ate Oli?
Yeah.
What's your prank to Ate Oli?
Show them.
What's that?
We're gonna give this to Ate Oli as a gift.
You open
Because there's fake spider.
it's a fake spider?
Yeah.
Show them.
Oh, you open the box.
No.
You're scared?
No. No. Only open it, guys.
Oli will open it. Okay.
Why are you scared? You're a big boy naman.
So we're almost there, guys.
Where
Where
are
are we
we?
going?
We're going to my Ate's school.
Okay.
Because we're gonna send it and we're gonna surprise it with gifts.
Okay. See you later.
Bye!
See you later, alligator.
So we're here, guys. Can I hold it?
What did you say? You hope that?
Only not cry. So we're here, guys. I'm gonna surprise my auntie now. Goodbye.
Just come out. Now this is the car and then let's wait for Ate Oli. Don't touch that.
Steering wheel.
Then surprise Ate Oli.
The Tony's classmate.
Yeah.
That's Sabaya.
I think it's
I think it's Arisa.
oh, is that?
That's the Oli. Oli!
Later na. Later na lang.
Oli, come here.
We have a surprise for you. You open.
Look this up.
Mama, saan na ito ibay?
I don't know to that.
Oli, saan na ito ibay? Kasi di mo nagpalit ato. Sa gym mo.
Para ko.
Sa store.
That's the Shopee.
Show your ID, Ate. How's your exam?
What's happened to your ID, Dad? Saan eh? Yay! And then we're done pranking Ate Oli.
Sa that Oli.
Huh?
Sa exam.
You're done na ganit, no? We prank also Sevsev. That's some surprise also.
And
Let's prank. Who wants to prank again? I
let's
mean,
prank Ate Rindy.
Huh?
Let's prank Kuya JR.
No, they're not here, man. They're sa layo.
Let's prank Tita Chaps.
Yes.
Let's go to Tita Chap's house, then let's prank Tita Chap's. I think that Tita Wen is there also.
Yes, let's prank him too.
You call Tita Chap's first or Tita Wen's first, tapos dili dapat
Where's the
makasi.
present?
Dili dapat makasi si
Papa, where's the present?
if iunan og prank si Tita Chap's, dapat dili makakita si Tita Wen para dili
Wala si
siya.
Mamila. Sa kwarto.
Let's prank Mamila.
Mami na gusto story. Once upon a time, si Mamila nawala yung duha ka na close.
Ha? Duha ka?
Tapos kita kong spike siya
Duha ka? Nawala ang duha ka?
ma-close.
Ano mag-close?
Tapos closet? Oo,
Say mo close.
closet na. Tapos,
Wala yan do ka close up.
oo, tapos, kita kong duha na spikes.
Do ka spikes.
Oo. Tapos nagdugo. Tapos nag-throw away na siya. Tapos na-fainted siya at the end.
Ha?
Na-fainted. Na-throw away siya tapos na-fainted siya. Hagka magbuhat-buhat ako ano.
Mami, dari